Okay, so I just had a phone call, and I had one yesterday and then one today, and I wanted to clear something up. It's about firearm rights and gun restoration rights and privileges and things like that. Apparently, one of Donald Trump's executive orders said something about a strong regulatory push. Trump directed the Attorney General to review reports and documents from the White House Office of Gun Violence Prevention, the Department of Justice pertaining to firearms, agency classifications, to be conducted with the goal of protecting American Second Amendment rights. And he's directed the Attorney General to review every position taken by the federal government in all ongoing and potential litigation that affects American Second Amendment rights. So the question I got on the phone was, do I still need a pardon from the governor of Pennsylvania when Trump's doing something with his executive order? I think thinking that Trump is just going to restore everybody's firearm rights across the board anyway. And what I told him is what I think. This is going to get a lot of play. Who knows what the Justice Department is or isn't going to do. But the way it's always been is a Pennsylvania conviction needs to be pardoned by Governor Shapiro in Pennsylvania to remove the disability from somebody getting their gun rights back. So the person I talked to was actually disappointed, and he said, you know, if the pardon process is going to be 3 to 4 years, I don't know that I want to wait for that. I'll just wait and see if Trump things works. Well, I don't think there is a Trump thing that's going to work, but I also said, look, people that talked to me in 2020, 2021, that were saying then that they thought the 2 to 3 year process was too long, and they just got disappointed and didn't even file. And now we're in 2025, and if they would have filed, their case would be coming up for review. And they might, meanwhile, the line has just gotten longer in front of them. So I told the guy, just don't come back in 2028 when it's a 4 or 5 year process and complain about the time. Anyway, it was yesterday the Board of Pardons actually reviewed 212 merit review cases, and that's where they just vote to send a person to the next level, which is a public interview that we cover. And out of the 212 cases, they recommended, I think, 78% of them to be given a public interview. And that means that 22% or 32%, 78, 22% of them were denied. They have to wait a year before they get back in line. But I just wanted to do a quick video about a Trump executive order that, frankly, I don't think is going to help Pennsylvanians get their rights back, but I thought it should be covered. Thanks.